Welcome, in front of me I have Honor Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and if you see it, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it of course, and here look for the option called sleep. Once you find it selected, by default it's going to be on auto, but you want to scroll through the list, and here we have 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds and auto. Select the one you like, for example 10 seconds, tap on OK, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and now my screen should turn off after 10 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the screen or the button for 10 seconds, the screen will turn off automatically to save power. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.